What's going on, fam? Welcome back. This is Chris with Food for Your Thoughts. I know you're having a wonderful day. You better be taking care of yourself, learning more about your purpose, your mission, your life path, putting in that work, leaving no stone unturned, right? So as you can see on the screen, it's all about 944 vibration and why you keep seeing it. So if this number 944, which reduces down to the number 17, reduces down to 8, been popping up for you lately, I got you covered. Be sure to click that like, subscribe button down below. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Appreciate the content. Go ahead and drop a thank you. It's okay, right? Cause and effect, right? So with that being said, when you see these numbers, obviously you receive your call to the adventure. The universe is going to use any means necessary to get your damn attention. So are you paying attention? So most importantly, on your hero journey, you're going to build a real good relationship with your own inner voice, your own inner G. Mother Nature going to chip in, and you're going to see all these different synchronicities going to come through the different energy, frequency, and vibration through music. You're going to learn more about astrology, your anatomy, sacred geometry, and then also leading back to synchronicity, okay? And the things, what's going to happen is the universe going to line you with the right people, placing the event, because you're going from the known to the unknown, okay? So the universe is going to line you with people like myself, sharing their true ups and downs, the things that work, things that don't work, and the tools that help me level up, like these 7 hermetic principles. So whether you know it or not, you're doing these things each and every day, okay? So why not have a better understanding, overstanding of these principles and how to apply them in your life so you can get the balance that you deserve, okay? I'm only a messenger, so when you know better, you're going to do better. So apply these things, learn about them. Even if you don't know what you're doing, test them out. You're going to find your own sweet spot. So you're going to be able to skip some levels on your journey, okay? You're going to make some mistakes, in other words, but those mistakes going to give you the experience that you need, going to make you wise, so you're not going to do the same thing over and over again. I hope that makes sense. So each and every day you're going to have high intentions, knowing that, hey, all of us have a unique purpose and mission and destiny that we have to fulfill, and we only we can do it, okay? We can only do it for ourselves. Nobody going to do it for us, in other words, okay? So as you grow and leave no stone unturned, start investigating everything, okay? And start incorporating these things into your life some kind of way. The universe is going to mirror your intent, okay? And that's going to help tap you into your own Christ consciousness. So it's all about cutting out the middleman so you can learn to do things for yourself, so you can become one or whole, okay, within yourself. So I have everything lined up, with correspondence, so it can make sense to you, okay? So just use your intuition as a guide so you can start, tying things together on your own, okay? So by you incorporating, 7 hermetic principles, all these different tools, methods, methodologies, right, into your life, you're gonna, level up, right? So with that being said, it's all about, not living on repeat, not doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results, okay? So you need new information, a new routine, a new habit, so to speak, okay, to get those different results. Most importantly, you got to apply the information, test things out, see what works, see what doesn't work, and then refine and repeat the process until you find your own sweet spot, and then you keep, building around that, incorporating new, different skill sets, okay? So I'm here, to let you know you got this. We all been lied to, so it's all about leaving no stone unturned. So as you can see, it's all about 944, why you keep seeing it. So on your hero's journey, I highly recommend that you take your personal day calculation to consideration. So what does this do, underneath all the, underneath the surface, okay? Basically, this sets the theme for your day, okay? And it also walks you through the manifestation process too, okay? So for the sake of this presentation, this person vibration, personal day calculation, added up to a 11, a master number 11, which reduced down to number 2. So this tell me, obviously, if this was me, this would be a great day for manifestation, new beginnings, for a start, really being, very conscious and aware of my thoughts, beliefs, words, emotions, and actions at this time. And also by reducing down to the number 2, I know I'm gonna have to, share some things. It's all about teamwork. So partnership, relationship, either at work, school, at home, okay? And also being that way show. So just cooperation, balance, okay? And also your emotion, your intuition as well. And also with this number 2 vibration, it lets you know that you are the power behind the throne, not somebody else. You are the power behind the throne in your life, okay? So with that number 11, again, it letting you know this is a perfect day for, being a divine inspiration that you are. And also with that 11 vibration, you're gonna see a large amount of synchronicity. So make sure you're paying attention, okay? And set your intentions high. And also this number 11 lets you know that is a vibration of encouragement to keep going, because by you seeing this number 11, it's an energetic gateway, right? So the universe is letting you know, like, whatever you working on, you doing the right thing, so keep going, you got this, okay? So with that being said, again, this will be a perfect day for you, when we reduce things down to the number 2. it's a great day for balance, partnership, relationship, being that divine mediator in your life and then in the lives of others, and helping people out, being that team player, okay? And then by the next day, you'll be in a vibration of new growth, okay? Self-expression, creativity, all right? And also, let you know you're going to be more social. So this will be a day where you actually, instead of just being that mediator, you're going to actually talk, share your gifts and talents with people, and be more creative. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So when it comes to the 944 on the surface, we're talking about completion. Okay, you ended a phase. And with the 44 vibration, you're dealing with archangel energies. Okay, so with the 44, remember with 4, it's all about goals, plans, structure, system, some kind of direction in your life, okay? And then with that 4 reducing down is to that number 8, and letting you know that you're going to be stepping up to a higher level of responsibility, okay? So material is going to come with material satisfaction. Of course, you're going to have more authority, because with responsibility, more authority, right? Power, ambition, and also it's going to cause you to give and receive more, okay? You may be in a position where you have to be that person to teach people, new people in a new department or in a new section, or you may be a person giving a lecture like myself, okay? So it's all about leaving no stone unturned. So when you reduce this down to the number 17, that number is letting you know that, so if you're not, stepping up to the plate, this is a constant reminder, don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. And it's going to cause for you to, have a more spiritual growth approach, right? Being more analytical, having that understanding is going to lead to some more knowledge and wisdom in your life, okay? And that way you can have a more complete spiritual understanding and understanding of what's going on around you, which leads to that number 8 again, right? Which will cause you to step up to the plate, have more responsibility in your life, okay? Either home, school, work, whatever, okay? And you're going to have more authority, you're going to have more power, so use your power to the greater good, okay? And also, remember, it's all about universal law, giving and receiving, not receiving and giving, okay? So when it comes to this vibration, remember, material items going to come and go, but knowledge of self is, learning to do things for yourself is more important and longer lasting. And again, if you don't learn anything else, please put these things that use these 7 hermetic principles. It's going to take you far. Incorporate these things into your life, learning more about them, apply them. All right, what you don't understand, you just keep tweaking until you get that warm and fuzzy about them. Okay, all right. So with anything that we discussed or anything you encounter in your reality, there's a good side, not so good side to everything. We talked about polarity, right? And even within yourself, your divine masculine feminine principle. A lot of people have been preconditioned and programmed to focus on certain attributes and characteristics on these different polarities. So I'm here to remind you it's time to become whole, so you can operate at that one force that you came here to be. So when it comes to the 944 vibration, that number 9 is letting you know it's all about ending, conclusion, completion, right? Universal spiritual law, higher perspective, non-conformity, influence, living your life as a positive example for others. And also by you doing that, you're going to be a humanitarian, light working, right? Which leads to the double 4, all right? And with that 4 vibration, letting you know it's all about patience, practicality, application, hard work, responsibility, and having that conscientiousness approach to your whole, lifestyle, okay? Progress, honesty, integrity. And also it's letting you know that you are putting in that work with determination, because you all about goals, all right? And going to the next level on your hero's journey. And also when you have that double 4 vibration, remember, when you see the double 4, it's letting you know it's time to level up, okay? So you get ready to, step up to a higher realm or plate of authority in your life. So whatever you're growing through right now, you're getting ready to level up, okay? Those are the archangel energies. So it's all about focus on your higher self and your higher calling, okay? But this number 4 is letting you know about passion, drive in your life, and it relates to the energy of the archangel, like I said before. And when we reduce this down to the number 17, which reduced down to the 8, and so in essence, when this number pops up, we're just letting you know to see the bigger picture. And by you seeing the bigger picture, it's going to equal, more responsibility, material satisfaction, authority, power, and giving and receiving. Okay. So when this number pops up, these are my personal takeaways. I'm going to get you out of here. So when 944 pops up, it's a constant reminder to let you know with 44, because it's all about goals, right? Reorganize your priorities and take full responsibility of your own choices, action, and personal growth on all aspects of your life, okay? All right. And also love and nurture yourself and focus on your own goals, values, and life path. All right. I know it's easy to get distracted when we have to earn a living to pay our bills and things like that, but don't let your career offset you from your spiritual path, your spiritual, gifts, talents, and your spiritual purpose. Okay, so remember that. So this is a constant reminder to focus positively on your own energies and be your own powerful guide at this time when this number pops up. And when this number pops up, your archangels, your spiritual team is right there supporting you with your life purpose and mission right now, and it's encouraging you to really, it's a time to look into your spiritual based work. Okay, so whatever is something that you really want to do behind the scenes, but it may seem a little weird to other people because it's outside of the norm, or it may be a little different. It's okay, just do you. Okay, so find a spiritual based practice, some kind of path, right, service based, where you helping people to to tap into their own divinity, so to speak. Okay, so it's all about intent. The universe gonna mirror your intent. Your focus gonna create a frequency for you, right? And that way you'll be able to get your own personal downloads to figure these new ideas. Make sure you write them down and research around it. Okay, so and the last couple points here, I'm gonna get you out of here. When this number pops up, it's a reminder that your life purpose involved serving humanity with the 44 energy. Okay, using your light working ability set you, so this is a reminder when the 44 pops up, don't be afraid to set your goals high. Okay, when you aim high, if you miss, you still pretty high up there. So don't aim low, because you might just hit that thing. Okay, so pursue your goals with enthusiasm and passion, and trust the workings of the universe. Okay, your input equals your result or your output. Okay, so what you put in is what you get out. So if you're not doing anything, you're not going to get anything in return. So read those books that you need to read. Learn these 7 hermetic principles. Okay, learn about balancing your polarities all throughout your life and your reality. Okay, so with that being said, you have all the skills and talent that you need in order to fulfill your spiritual destiny. All you gotta do is just sit with yourself long enough. Your higher self gonna kick in and say, hey, you know what, you're good at music. So research around energy, frequency, and vibration, dealing with music, healing frequencies. You good at astrology, you good at geometry, you good at math, you good with connecting with nature, right? Or you good with working with your intuition, to your own inner voice, and listen to those messages to get you to the next step. Each of us have our own gifts and talents, I almost forgot. And many of you guys better be good with learning your anatomy, your suit, okay? Your avatar, all right? So whatever your gift may be, don't be afraid to express it, but find your own lane, okay? But trust your own inner voice, your own energy throughout the process. So as we get ready to close things out, when this number pops up, because with the number 9, that means you getting ready to enter phase, okay? And you'll be planting some great seeds with some heavy goals with your archangel energies, right? That's going to cause you to step up to a higher plate of authority, okay? Or realm of authority, all right? So it's time to let go of a situation that's now has ran its course. So when as one door closes, by universal law, cause and effect, right, another one's gotta open for you, unless you've been planning some bad karma, okay? But your angel energy, your spiritual team are helping you to open up the new doors of opportunity and to help you heal from any pain or sorrow or feeling of loss that may accompany this transition, because you may have been working around some people that you really cared about, okay? Or you may be interacting with people that you really cared about, and it may be a little difficult transition to a new project, a new theme. That's how I look at it, a new theme with your life, okay? So it's okay, all right? But just remember the lessons and the experience, okay? So as we get ready to close things out, use your creative mind, all right, to establish a plan of actions and go to the next level on your life. So use these as a guide here if you don't have anything, and also use your personal day calculation as a guide as well to set your thing for your day, so you can walk yourself through your own manifestation process. And you'll keep doing this thing over and over again, and through time, by the universe gonna mirror your intent, you're gonna start to see a trend. You'll know when your money cycle comes in. You know when it's time to start tapping into your, really just sit with yourself and start doing some research. You'll know when it's time to set some goals. All right. But it's all about you just being patient and sitting with yourself and knowing yourself. I hope that makes sense. So this has been my own personal takeaway when it comes to 944 vibration. We reduced down to the number 17, which reduced down to the number 8. And that number 8 is telling you, see the big picture. And when you see that big picture, it's all about more responsibility and accountability and helping people to help themselves, okay? But most importantly, trust your own inner voice, your own energy. All right, be sure to click that like and subscribe button down below. I greatly appreciate you. We'll be back with 955, okay? But Take care of yourself, love yourself. Until next time, stay grateful and focused, fam. Peace.